Hey friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. If you're starting a dropshipping business and need help with suppliers, inventory, or order management, Doba is a game changer. In this video, we'll walk you through everything Doba offers, from store integration to product sourcing and automation. Let's dive in. After signing up, you'll find everything you need at your fingertips. The notification section keeps you informed with important updates, and right now, you can earn up to $50 for every store you connect. A great bonus to kick things off. Once your store is linked and products are listed, Doba handles your orders automatically through the purchase order section, making the process smooth and stress-free. You can track key performance metrics like GMV and order volume in the report section, helping you stay on top of your growth. With access to the Doba Elite Academy and personalized product suggestions in the curated and selected for you sections, you'll get expert support and smart recommendations tailored to your niche. On the left-hand menu, you'll find the AI Tool Hub, packed with smart tools like the AI Store Builder, AI Product Finder, AI Auto Lister, and AI Listing Optimizer. We've already covered these in a previous video, so check that out for a deep dive. Next is the My Products tab. Here, you'll find your inventory list, which includes all the products you've added. From here, you can list items directly to your store or download your list for future use. You'll also find the Saved Searches section, a super handy feature that keeps track of product searches you're most interested in. In the Listings tab, you can list products to your store with just one click. And once listed, Doba's suppliers will fulfill orders automatically. Next is the Connections tab, where Doba becomes your ultimate sourcing partner. Just follow 3 simple steps to connect and start sourcing instantly. In the My Orders tab, you'll find everything you need to manage your business, including store orders, purchase orders, refund status, and tracking numbers. Everything is neatly organized for a smooth workflow. Then we have the Store tab, where you can connect your online store and start syncing your inventory and orders. Doba integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, Wix, and eBay in just one click. For Amazon and Walmart, product uploads are handled manually, but the process is still simple. Once your store is connected, Doba unlocks automated syncing, order processing, and real-time tracking, giving you a fully streamlined operation. For example, to connect with Shopify, go to your Shopify dashboard, click Install, and you're done. Doba takes care of the rest. Further down the menu, you'll find the Wallet tab, where you can manage your balance, payment methods, and transactions easily and securely. Now let's talk about pricing. Doba offers a range of pricing plans to fit every type of dropshipper, whether you're just starting or managing multiple stores. Each plan includes access to product sourcing, automation tools, and order management. Higher tier plans unlock premium features like bulk listing, advanced supplier insights, and priority support, giving you more power and flexibility as you scale. In the Search Products tab, you can explore thousands of products across every major category. When you find a product you like, just click Add to Inventory List, select your tags, hit Confirm, and the product is added instantly. The Find Suppliers tab is where you'll discover vetted, reliable suppliers across all major industries. This allows you to build trustworthy relationships and ensure the quality of your products. If you ever need assistance, head over to the Help Center. From FAQs and video tutorials to live chat support, Doba's got your back every step of the way. And finally, meet your 24/7 assistant, the Doba AI Product Guru. You can ask it anything, from how to list products to what's trending right now. It's like having a personal drop shipping coach available anytime you need help. And that wraps up our tour of Doba, your all-in-one tool for simple, scalable drop shipping. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tools. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. See you next time on Soft GPT.